The evolution of computing methods drives progress in society. Rokid AR Lite, your first spatial computing AR glasses. Max 2 in 2 colors. Air nose pad. Most comfortable to wear. Most friendly to myopia. Max 2 has the best picture quality. The largest screen. Private and immersive sound experience. Station 2. Powerful performance for wonderful experience. Charge and use simultaneously. With natural interaction. Ready to rock. Yoda OS Master, the industry-leading OS. Massive spatial apps. Giant screen mode. Adjustable size and distance. Multi-app mode enables simultaneous multi-app use on multiple screens. Portable office mode. Spatial browser. Supports 3D, WebXR, and PWA. Remote transmission. Supports file and app transfer. Multi-device casting. And epic screen projection. Spatial video. Every frame is a vivid eternal moment. Hundreds of AI models. Making AR smarter. Take flight in spatial computing. Anytime, anywhere. Rokid AR Lite. Top-tier spatial AR experience.